Welcome everyone, this is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty, and in this video I'm going to be sharing some new jewelry pieces that I picked up from Gorjana, so stay tuned. So I just had a birthday, and whenever my birthday comes around, regardless of the presents that I receive, I like to treat my own self and just buy a couple different things. So I have a lot of jewelry from Tiffany, and co. I've done, well, just one video so far. I still have some other pieces to kind of throw into a video, but I've kind of showcased that brand on my channel quite a bit. So I wanted to try something different this year. Instead of wearing silver, I transitioned to gold jewelry, and I've been trying out some different brands here and there. And then I came across this store, this brand called Gorjana, and I was really kind of drawn in by kind of like the beachy, boho kind of aesthetic that the brand had. I was drawn in by just the pieces, how beautiful they were. And so I purchased a piece a few months ago to just kind of test it out. And, just to kind of see how long wearing the jewelry really is. I've had it for about 2 months now. I've, slept in it, showered in it, exercised in it, not had any issues. It didn't tarnish on me. So I said, okay, well, let me kind of get some more things and invest a little more, because I like switching my jewelry up and my look up. I'm a busy mom. I don't have a lot of time to get ready. So I found that I really like to have kind of like a core set of jewelry that is either easy to put on or something that, I can kind of keep on day and night. I don't think the brand recommends that approach, but just for me personally, because I don't have a lot of time in the mornings to get ready. So if I can always kind of look like I'm ready, that really works for me. So I bought a whole new set from Gorjana for my birthday, and I'm going to try those pieces out so we can kind of see how that works. So let's check them out. So here's my package. I actually ordered 5 different pieces, and they were able to kind of ship it in this cute little like beachy little package covering my face here. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and see what I have inside. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just pulling stuff out here. Got some more baggies in here. So let's see, they included a kind of like a nice little card with a, looks like it's probably my packing slip. And I'm gonna open the first one and see what's in here. I got 2 baggies in here. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one first. This, I think, is the Parker, it's right here, the Parker mini necklace. So I had been looking at this one for a while. It's just kind of like a almost like a chain link kind of necklace, and I liked it because they had a bigger one and a little one. So I wanted to have kind of like a nice jewelry stack, like with 2 separate, necklaces to kind of have like that layered look. So I thought, if I had one kind of thicker and then one like a little more delicate hanging down, that would be kind of like a nice look. But it looks really good. And then it has this bigger clasp, which I appreciate because I hate fumbling with those little bitty clasps. I mean, if it has one, it's fine. But so let me go ahead and get this on. Let me look. Okay, so it does look like it just kind of is supposed to pop open, but there we go. Okay, right there. All right, all right. So let's see. If you hear breathing in the background, that's my little baby, my little 4-month-old little baby girl, Hope. She's right next to me, and she just fell asleep. Okay, oop, not closed, not yet. That's a little tight. I'm about 6 feet tall, and I just had a baby, so I'm carrying a little more weight than I normally have. So my neck might be a little thicker than everybody else's. So this is the Parker mini necklace, which it fits exactly how I wanted it to. I wanted something to be kind of close to my neck, and then this is the SHOREBREAK necklace. So they had kind of like a line of necklaces. There were several of them where they had like these little medallions or like charms that kind of like hung off of the necklace, and they all were kind of like beach themed. So one was supposed to represent the way the sun looked when it reflected off the ocean. Another one was supposed to represent the ocean waves. But I know when I did a lot of looking over several different weeks, and when I saw the ones that kind of had this like ripple effect, I love how that kind of catch the light, or it looked like it would catch the light really nicely, which it looks like it is doing that. And I just like kind of like the thought behind it, to look at the jewelry and think about the ocean waves and the sun and just how relaxing that is. I just liked all of the thoughts about it. I also really liked, which this was a feature in the necklace that I purchased several months ago, when you kind of have like these little beads on the chain, then that catches the light too. And that's really interesting to look at too. So this one has a smaller clasp to it, so I won't have to get that one on. See. And I did buy a chain extender just in case this was too like tight on my neck. So let's see, because I don't know if it's gonna be too tight or not. Let's see. Yeah, I think that's too tight. So let me go ahead and get the chain extender. Let me get that out. So I wanted it to fit a little looser. So I'm glad that they offer that. Let's see, where is it? Right here. So let me go ahead and attach that on. Attach that on. Okay, that's on good. You can see that extender piece right there. And then let me twirl this little medallion around. I like how delicate it is, but I'm just not the type of person who is gonna try to figure out how to put this on every day. And I think that's what kind of turned me off from buying this type of jewelry before, because it does take a while to get it on. All right, that's good. There we go. We're getting somewhere now. All right. Okay, that looks good. I like that. That looks really, really good. All right, now the next piece that I got, that's three. It's two more items. These are called the Anna Coin Huggies. And I got these because they were pretty similar to this necklace with this little icon with the ocean wave look, that I kind of like that. I have a pair of Huggies from another brand, but they're like really basic, just like a gold band, which they're fine. But you know, always trying to grow my little collection here. And I don't like really large earrings. I wore studs for years. The Huggies are an upgrade from what I was doing before. So yeah, I like really kind of like small, delicate earrings. So let's see if I can get them in my. Oh, see, now we're getting somewhere. See that? And then we got this. And I spent a lot of time on their website trying to figure this look out. So I'm kind of proud of myself to see it come together. Let's see. All right. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Ah. And I'm gonna just sit up and do this like ah. I like this. It's subtle. It's, you know, I'm a subtle person. I'm a simple person. You know, I love subtle, like eye-catching, well thought out details, and these are as I thought they would be, because they can kind of move and everything. I like that a lot. And then let's see, I have the Chloe mini bracelets. So this is a lot tinier than what it looked like online. Again, very delicate, but kind of going with the theme of these little like coin medallions, ocean wave medallions hanging down. This one kind of has that feature too, but you can see kind of how little they are. They're like itty bitty, itty bitty, but they still kind of have that moving, kind of eye-catching kind of movement about them. And I have a couple of other bracelets from some other brands that I'll probably mix these in with to have like a little stack, because I don't just like wearing one bracelet. I like wearing multiple bracelets. But some of the bracelets I've worn in the past on my channel, I've gotten complaints from some viewers that my bracelets are too loud. So, you know, I hear you guys out there, and I'm trying trying to fix that. So this is a little different. It has like a little ball at the end of the bracelet, and I haven't seen that before. So it looks like this little medallion is at the end, and then you kind of like pull this down, and then that gets it, oh, hopefully as wide as I need. Like I said, I'm 6 feet tall, so my proportions are a little larger than, you know, your average woman's. Like my hand is a little bigger than your average woman's. Oh, we got it on. So I still got a little bit of room to spare. So I guess it depends on how you want it to kind of hang on. So let me see. Let me adjust this a little bit. I think I just kind of want it to hang at the base of my wrist, because let me loosen it up a little bit. Because then it can kind of move and give you that little kind of like shimmery, glittery, eye-catching look. But look at this though, even the other part of the jewelry, and I love like how dainty and feminine this is, how this just kind of hangs down. So that's kind of my whole look that I got going on. I love it. It's pretty.